Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you along with me as I start nesting for baby number 3. We decided to keep the gender a surprise this time, so we are just prepping everything in the sweetest, most natural way. I'll be washing all the newborn clothes, getting my postpartum essential ready, washing the baby's bottle, and just doing a little bit of organizing to help me feel ready for this new season. If you love mom content live, go ahead and get coffee and let's get into today's nesting vlog. So guys, this is how I store my bottle after washing, sterilizing it, allowing it to air dry. I just store it in this clear plastic container. I'll just put it away until the baby is safe and I start using it. So I have the 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months outfits. I always start my kit with 0 to 3 months. I don't do newborn. These are the blankets and these are the mittens and few of the washcloths. And I also have down there I have the winter stuff and postpartum belly bed. So that is all I have in this video. Thank you.